What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial is designed to help beginners learn how to play Block Blast, a fun and engaging puzzle game. Whether you are new to the game or looking to improve your skills, this guide will provide you with essential steps and tips to get started and enjoy your gaming experience. So let's get started. First, let's open the Block Blast app. In the Block Blast app, as you can see, there are two modes to enjoy this game. First is the adventure mode, so let's tap on it to play this mode. Now in the adventure mode, all you have to do is reach the score of 368 so that we can proceed to the next stage. Be careful where you put your blocks because even in this mode, if you did not reach the score requirements and there's no space for blocks, it's game over for you. The other one is classic mode. Whether there are no score requirements, all you have to do is make your own high score and make a combo, as many as you can since this game is limitless. The game will end if there's no block to put in the box. My tips are to carefully put your blocks and make sure that you make a block blast as big as you can, so that there will be more space after the blast. By following the steps, you will be well prepared to start your journey in a block blast. Remember to practice and experiment with different strategies to improve your skills. Enjoy the game and have fun clearing those blocks. If you're looking for more advanced strategies or tips, consider checking out online forums or gameplay videos for additional insights. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.